Hello everyone, welcome again. Let's talk about
First, sign in your Alibaba app after downloading it on Play Store. The sign up. So either you sign up with your Google, Facebook, or your email. So I'm doing the sign up now. Then after signing up, you will get to the interface of your Alibaba. Now when you go to the interface, we have home, we have categories, we have messenger, that's where you chat with your supplier, the carts where you add orders to pay later, and in my Alibaba where you will do your settings, or where recently items you viewed will show there. So I have two circles there, that's my account. Now let's get to the settings to check. So we're going to the settings. We have Ghana there, that's my country I'm currently in. So you input your country there. And when we go to the profile as well, we check the profile as well. I have my name there. This account is unverified because I haven't verified it. When I verify, they will send me the code to my email, so I verify it. So this account is not verified. This is only for the purpose of tutorials. So this is how your profile interface is, and if you are buying on the app, you need to fill these places as well. So let's choose one item and go deeper into it, how to buy things on the app. Now we chose the brown chair, the office chair, and this is how it looks like now. Minimum order quantity, that's the MOQ, and the number of years the company has. So we have some having 90 years, we have others having 1 year, we have others also having 9 years in the job, and they are all verified. As you can see, they are all verified. And you need to also know the minimum order quantity. So this one sells 50 pieces, this one sells 10 pieces, and the other to sell 10 pieces. We have others that to sell 1 piece. So you need to know the order of quantity that they sell before you can purchase, because some doesn't sell from one. So we will choose one item and we will go deeper into that and know how to go about everything. So this is 12 pieces if you want to buy one, and it is also verified as well with 1 year. You can either chat the supplier here, or you can order it straight away from this place. You can order straight away, and you can add to cart to pay later. So let's go into it. We have details of the item you are buying. Does it satisfy how you want to get your item? You look into that too before buying, because you will order for the whole flask and you will get just the cap of the flask, and this is the number of days that it will get to you. That's 7-day dispatch, that's the number of days. And this is the delivery fee, that's the shipping fee you pay for 12 pieces. Now I want us to get to an item that has 1 MOQ. So looking at this flat screen, that's 1 MOQ. Yes, that means the shipping fee is going to be lower as compared to the ones with 12 pieces. So it's the same as 1688, but on 1688 most are in Chinese, but on Alibaba everything is simple because they are already calculated in your currency. So you choose the currency you are in and you get it. So this is 3.3 star, and they've sold about 45, and this is the shipping fee for 1 piece, and this is the day that it will get to you. You have other more options to choose for the days. You can choose for 3 days, you can choose for 4 days, you can choose for 1 day. That depends on the amount that you pay. The higher the amount, then the lower or the less it gets to you. So this is the days that we have here. So 6 to 22 days, we have this amount. 25 to 45, this amount. 6 to 12, this amount. 8 to 15, that amount. 5 to 12, that amount. And it gets to the down part and the amount follows. So depending on the amount you how your money shows when it gets to you. And I think this is very logical because if you have the amount, then it will get to you so soon. So if you don't know anything about this or you are having any question, you can let me know in the comment section down below. So this is the paying method that you need to know. You can buy with a Visa or you can buy with a PayPal. But in Ghana, I am having the Visa card, so I'll buy with my Visa card. And we also have customization options. Do you want to customize your product? You need to meet a certain number before you can customize your item. And let's also read some reviews on the items. So we have overall store reviews and we have product reviews. The product is the exact product, that's television. So these are comments we have on the television, and the store reviews is the overall store products. So this is not specific to one item. Yes, and that's the company's name, Guangdong Ranzi Technology Company Limited. That's in China. Permit me for the pronunciation of the name. So that's where you get the name, and they are very verified. You can also as well check the company profile to know that you can trust this company and buy things from this. You can as well check more products from their store. This is how it is. So you can chat the supplier right from there. When you chat them, you ask them any question you would like to know about the product, and they will really help you out with everything that you want to know. This is how it is with the chat, and you can see that my account is not verified because I haven't verified with my email as I told you earlier. Now this is how everything is. So proceeding to making the payment, you start to order. Now when you come here, you will see the payment method I said earlier. So you need to add your card to it. So this ones I've circled is adding up to 2 or 3, meaning that you are increasing the number of or the set of the television. So when you are buying one, you just add only one. When you are buying many, you add many as well. So these are the options you can use to make payment. These are options you can use to make payment. And these are the shipping fee and the price of the item. Everything is calculated in your currency. Unlike it that you need an agent to pay for you on Alibaba, you just need your Visa card. But remember that they are going to ship everything for you. Therefore, the shipping fee is really costly compared to 1688. So this is the delivery because I chose that as an option. So that's the amount they will give me because you already have 40 more options to choose. That's the delivery. So we proceed to make payment. Before we proceed, you need to add your shipping address to it before you can proceed. This shipping address simply means that you need to add your postal address, you need to add your name, your phone number, so they will get to you when your things arrive. First name, your phone number, and your street code, your city, your postal code. That's where they should post your things to when they arrive in Ghana. So with the city or the state, you can choose if you're in Central, Ahafo, Greater Accra, Upper East, Upper West. You can choose that as well. And with your city, the same thing as well. You can choose the same thing. This information is really necessary because they will be written on your items, so your items won't get missing when they arrive in Ghana. It will be posted straight away to the postal code. Now let's dive into something very important on the app. Let's go to my Alibaba. When we get there, then we go to the profile where I've deepened with a green ink. So when you go there, you need to first verify before you buy anything from there. Mine is unverified because this is purposely for tutorials, because one of my subscribers said they need a video about this and I need to make this to my subscribers. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you all guys, I love you so much. So this is everything. When you go to the messenger, that's every chat you chat with your suppliers, it will be available there. Your cart to every items you add on your cart will be there, so you make payments later. You won't be searching it again on the feeds. So this is everything, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please do watch, subscribe to the channel, like this video and share as well. Love you, bye.